Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all what I have here. This is a tie. I haven't worn a tie in I don't know how long, but I don't even own one anymore, so that's why I figured, okay, I better get one in case I got to go to something. But let's see what we got here. It's like an old school kind of linen-ish looking tie. Let's see here. So this is, how do we get it out of here? So this is the tie here. I don't have a collared shirt on, but I'll show you guys what it looks like here. This is the tie here. It's got that kind of, you can see it's got that little weave looking fabric on it. What's it say back there? It says dry clean, oh, handmade, 100% cotton, handmade, dry clean only. Okay, so if you know how to tie a tie, let's see if I remember how. So I think I gotta kind of make it a little bit looser there, and then I go around, and then up, and I'm gonna be over there, pull it up a little bit here, and then go through. Holy macro, this is tough to do without looking. I'm looking at it so much into the light. So there we go. So now I've got a tie, and it's got the little loop on the back like you normally have. So it's just a nice looking tie. It'll match whatever. It matches my white t-shirt, lovely. So this is Neil in a tie. So if you've never seen me in a tie, which is probably ever, now you can see me in a tie. So this one here, I'll go in my closet for whenever I need to go anywhere and dress somewhat nice. It actually feels nice. I think because it's cotton, I think the other ties I've had in the way past were something scratchy and stuff. I just didn't like, oh, you know what it was? Because I always had to wear a collar. So I'm feeling it on my neck now. I never did before. So I would probably be wearing a collar again. But this is nice. It's got a nice look, nice feel. So if you need a tie, pick up one of these suckers and you're good to go. Totally nice. Thumbs up.